Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamuji. Welcome to another t-shirt design. Yes, I'm coming to you at 3:33 a.m. African time. So, I'm serious about putting out designs for you guys, designs that sell, designs that make you money, designs that make you passive income from print on demand. So, if this is what you're interested in and you believe in the struggle, you believe in the hustle, you believe in making passive income online with print on demand, selling on Teespring, TeePublic, Redbubble, Match by Amazon, then this is the channel for you. If you're just joining for the first time, make sure you stick around, subscribe, and don't miss a thing. I don't want to waste your time. I'll just tell you, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. We're at 335 subscribers. Let's get to 1,000 by the end of June. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to open Photoshop. I'm going to use Photoshop for this. It's going to be a very simple design, a very simple design, not super complicated. The designs are not super complicated, so I'll just advise you stick around, don't miss out, don't click off, please don't click off, just stick around. It's going to be a simple design. So we're going to go to click on file, new, and the standard is, put it on pixel. Standard is 4500 by 5400. So this is the standard. This is what I love to use. So just press OK. So now that we have that all set up, we'll go to text. That's this T you see here. So for this, it's going to be a simple design. I already have the text laid out already. The text I want to use for this design. So it says, happiness remains free. So it's going to say happiness. Copy that. So we're just going to insert that here. So I'm going to make this box, because I want it to be on a black shirt, so I'm going to make this box a different color. I'm going to make it a different color. I want to put on a white shirt, so I'll make this box black. I'll make that box just black. So we're gonna bring in our text, which says happiness so you see it's quite small, so to increase it, I'll move it to the middle, just pressing your left mouse click button and moving your mouse cursor, move it to the middle. So we're just going to do Ctrl T, move our mouse to this edge and press 3 buttons down, which are your Alt key button, your Shift key button, your left mouse click button, and drag outwards. So here you go. So it says happiness. So now I'm going to duplicate this layer. So to do that, I'm going to press down on my Alt key button and my left mouse click button and just drag downwards. So you see it's going to be like this. So now I'm going to bring in my order. So this will go there. This will go there, remains free for, will go under here. So to change that, I'm just going to click on the T, click on this second happiness layer, and you do Ctrl A and Ctrl V. So you see how that fits in. As you can see, super easy, not complicated. So it says happiness remains free. So for this now, I'll group these first 2 layers. I'll group them up together. So to do that, I'll click on this happiness, then I'll press on my Control key button on my keyboard, and I'll click on the remains free for. Then I'll do Control G to group them together. So if you see, if I click on these eyes, they go out. If I click on that, they are back in. So I'll just do Control T again to highlight the two. Then I'll open my mouse to this edge and I'll press down my three buttons, my Alt, Shift key button and my left mouse key button, and drag outward. If I drag it inward, it's going to reduce it. If I drag it outward, it's going to increase it. So here you see it's increasing it. So when I'm okay with that, I'll press the enter key button and I'll just move this a little bit downwards. So now we are left with life. So yes, I don't want anybody to feel the struggle. Life is good, life is easy. Don't ever stress out in life. Remain happy. That is the message in this t-shirt. Remain happy. It's a motivational t-shirt. Remain happy, stay inspired, don't stress out, don't get too emotional, don't get depressed. You don't need to get depressed. Be happy. If things are not working out the way you want them to work out, just know for sure they will definitely work out at the right time. So don't stress out, never stress out. So this is going to be life. So now that we have that, I'm just going to highlight that and just make it bigger. Now change the font for this life. Just change the font. I'll find just find a different font, but before then I'll click on this A and just click on this double T so that I have that in all small letters. I have that in all small letters, and I'll just go and see if I can, let me see if I can use this. So Control T to highlight that and make it bigger. Left mouse, your Alt key button, your Shift key button and your left mouse click button, and just drag outwards. So now we have that. Sorry, Control Z, Alt key button, Shift key button, and your left mouse click button. So now we have that. So we just try to make it a font we can see like this. Now no one will understand what we have there, so we'll just go over and find a better font. So we'll do Control A to highlight that. We'll just go so I think this is a good font, but I want a font you can easily see. I want a font you can easily see. So let me see the way this looks. I think I like this, so we can just leave it at that. Make sure you always put off your background when you're done. As you can see, we just used about 8 minutes for this. So now I'm just gonna save this, and I'm just gonna save this. Control A. So I'm just gonna copy this because that's what I want to use to save it right about now. I want to use that to save it. So we can just group it to this first layer. Just make sure you group it to the first layer. So do Control and just group that together. Then you can add a stroke. Maybe if you want to place it on your white shirt, you can add a stroke. You can add a stroke so that you have that. I like to make the color of the stroke different from black. Just always like to make it a different color from black. So if I'm placing it on a white shirt, it gives me that extra shadow. So now it says happiness remain free for life. I press OK and OK again, and put in my background. It should be something like this. So I think I'm okay with that. So just click on File, Save As, happiness remains free from life, and I'll save it as PNG. Click on save. It's going to give you a good format. After merging layers, it's going to give you a good format. Just save it at that format. Please, I hope you've been following me. Yes, my courses are already up on Udemy, but they are currently free, so if you want them, make sure you let me know in the comments and I'll send them to you. If you've not gone through the course already, I'll send them to you. It's currently free at the moment. I just want everyone to be happy at this time, but it's free as at 26th of May. It won't be free in the future. It's free for now. To be free in the future. I'm super sure it will be free in June, so if you want to get it now, please let me know. So I'll just click on OK. It's gonna save, and you can see just 10 minutes into this design, we have our design. So now, to make passive income from your design, all you have to do is to make more of these inspirational designs and just upload it to sites like Teespring, TeePublic, Redbubble, Match by Amazon. Just upload it to all these print on demand sites. You don't need to do any printing. All you need to do is to upload it, and if you want to get the shirt for yourself, you just need to click and buy one for yourself, or if you want to make it open for the public to buy, you just have to put it on the site and promote it and people will buy it. You don't need to stress about it. That's how to make passive income in this time and in the future to come. Please, 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 if you've enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you share it, make sure you comment, and I'll see you in our next video. Stay blessed.